Today I want to review one of the coolest things I've been given offered to review in a long time. These are these window shades. You can barely see them here. We have these old style picture windows here in the front of our house, so we don't want to get rid of them, but light, the sun, this is south facing, so get a lot of sun in the afternoon, and our TV's right over here, so it glares. You can even see these here. It doesn't take anything away from like the old farmhouse look of these old windows, but you pull these down and they're zebra blinds, and they are blackout, or they're light filtering. We're pretty much blackout. You can leave them somewhat open, so you can see they're super easy to pull down. There's no hardware on the other side. There's no string or anything, which I love. You just pull down on the body. It comes with these little plastic clips right here to guide it that just snap on. You can either take those on or off, and then you just pull down on it, but I think you can just pull on this body. It's nice and aluminum, and they're super smooth. You can see how that looks there. And I could adjust it to either, up or down a little bit to get them fully closed like that, so it's more filtering. And we also have them on the other windows here. This is in like the beige color. These come in a ton of different sizes and colors. So you can see this one over here is like a gray. And you can put it just a little bit up, just enough to filter the light. But yeah, we mainly got these so we can watch, so that glaring sunlight in like the early afternoon, especially during the summertime coming up, isn't coming right into our living room. And you don't need a curtain rod. We'll probably be taking this down eventually. I just put these up yesterday. But now the thing I like the most about them is just how easy they are to install. I've done other reviews where ones that had like a little chain on the side and then they're kind of hard to put in. These are so easy. Like literally anyone could do it. I do a lot of home stuff and DIY stuff, but if you have a drill and you know how to use one, you can easily put these in. Check this out. So these are the brackets here. It came with all the supplied screws. So you simply screw these in to your window frame, and they have these little clips. See this plastic part that moves here. So what you do is you see this channel right here. It is on the top of the blind, and you basically just push these up so everything is in. Of course, now I'm probably not going to be able to do it well, but yeah, you just screw those in the brackets, push that little plastic thing into the channel, push on it, and it's in. That's how easy it is. Now you have this nice blind. Look, the smooth operation. High quality fabric. You can see how much of the light it blocks just with this up close. And it's going to give you some privacy. I'm going to put these down in different arrays. So I'm going to put this one like this. And then let's go see how much we can see from outside. So you can see looking in from outside, you can't see anything inside at all, which is nice. So it gives you some nice privacy. Well, from the inside, you could still see some light. With them in this zebra configuration, you can see a little bit inside, but not really. You'd have to really be peering. So if someone's walking by on the street, you can still let some light in, and you're still going to see plenty of them. I really recommend these. I want them on every window of my house now. So yeah, they're a great value, super easy to install, high quality, easy to use, and very functional. What else can you ask for? I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.